It's a picnic day.
Today's the day for fun and play. It's our school picnic day. We pack our lunch and line up fast, excited for the day at last. Hooray, hooray! We hop on a bus with friends so dear, laughing and chatting as we cheer. The sun is shining, the sky is blue. We're ready for a day that's new. We spread our blankets on the grass. Time to eat, let's have a blast. Sandwiches, fruit, and juice so